I want to invest into something low risk, high return. Welcome back to my channel, the channel for personal finance and money matters. Remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell if you'd like to watch more videos like this. Let's begin. Hi, my name is Louis, your financial educator. A lot of people have been telling me I want to invest into something low risk, high return. The truth is, it is impossible to have that. Also, if you are the one asking for this, then apparently you still need to study more about investments. A successful businessman told me, there is no success without risk. Yes, there is no way to reach your financial success without risk. If you are starting from scratch, then you have to take on some risk. There's no doubt about it. Taking risks can be scary, there is no low risk, high return, but there are ways to manage the risk if you get good at it. Inspirational speaker Robin Sharma once wrote, if you are not scared a lot, you are not doing very much. It's a simple fact. To truly succeed in your finances, at some point it will be necessary to step out of your comfort zone. Sometimes it's only with taking a risk that the true rewards will come your way. This is why it's important to increase your risk tolerance. Wait, what's risk tolerance? The term risk tolerance is often used in the context of investing, referring to the amount of variability in returns that an investor is emotionally or mentally able to stand. To put it into context, are you able to see your investment value drop by 20% in a short-term period? Or you can only handle a 5% drop in a short-term period? How much risk are you willing to withstand to reach your ultimate financial goals? Improving your risk tolerance is the first step towards gaining the bravery to make bold moves. However, you have to be realistic to the risk that you are going to take. In this video, I'm going to share 5 key tips for how to improve your risk tolerance. Number 1, determine what your risk tolerance is. Before you can increase your risk tolerance, you need to get an idea of your current relationship with risk. Understanding of your capacity to stomach risk will allow you to increase your tolerance gradually. Rather than challenging yourself too much at once and panicking, if you don't have a good sense of your current risk tolerance, spend a few minutes to consider one of your financial goals and think about what point it starts to feel scary. For instance, say your goal is to have your retirement fund ready one day. To make this happen, you'll have to face potentially scary things. Start investing your money into high-risk investment products, actually reading the market, or facing volatility of your investments. The first part that seems scary is a great starting point for where you can target your efforts to improve risk tolerance. Number 2, educate yourself. If you want to be smarter about taking risks, work on getting smarter in investments. Say that you are interested in stocks investing, who want to focus in day trading. An endeavor like this will always come with a certain level of risk. But if you spend time learning all that you can about markets, stock trading, and so on, it can help you make more intelligent and informed decisions. And it can help you ask the right questions before you sink your hard-earned cash into the investments. By educating yourself before taking risks, you'll be able to take more calculated risks. This can make a big difference in your approach and help you become successful sooner. Number 3, set financial goals. Yup, setting financial goals can be extremely helpful in increasing your risk tolerance. Here's why. By setting specific financial goals, you are in essence determining the destinations that you want to reach. For example, your retirement goal, property down payment goal, children education goal, and so on. This can help you map out possible financial routes, which can help you clearly see any potential risks that might be necessary to get you from here, dreaming of your financial goal, to there, attending the goal. By anticipating the investment risk that might be required, you can now begin to systematically work on developing the knowledge necessary to help reduce the investment risk. When you get good at reducing risk, you get better at tolerating its existence. Number 4, step out of your comfort zone. One of the best ways to increase your risk tolerance, actually start taking investment risk by just starting investing. If you have determined some of the risks necessary for your financial success, now's the time to try them. If one of your financial goals is to achieve your kids' education fund in 10 years, it might be the time to step out of your comfort zone by starting to invest into higher risk investment tools. For example, equity-based unit trust portfolios. Little things like this can help make you braver over time and more likely to take bolder steps, like investing into higher risk equity funds. Number 5, keep a logbook. Your memory probably isn't as good as you think it is. As time goes on, it will become harder and harder to remember everything, including how things work out when you took risks. That's why it's important to keep track of your investment performance. Keep a monthly or quarterly log of your investment progress, including risks you took, how you felt, and what you gained or lost in the investment. Over time, you can look back and learn from the past to inform the future. This can help you avoid mistakes and capitalize on your successes. Overall, this can streamline so that you can be smarter about taking investment risks and feel more confident. There's no doubt about it, taking risks can be scary, but when you have the ability to see the potential long-term benefits and are able to prepare as best you can, taking risks can help you grow and become more financially successful faster. That's the 5 key tips for how to improve your risk tolerance. Anyhow, remember to invest at your own risk and understand what you are investing in. Like this video if you find it useful and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.